Welcome to the Best Picks. The Best Glue Roller is probably one of the most versatile and efficient tools for any woodworking project. From furniture making to intricate crafts, this handy tool simplifies the process of applying glue evenly and precisely, saving you time and ensuring a strong bond every time. This video will cover everything you need to know about selecting, using, and maintaining a glue roller for all your woodworking needs, helping you achieve professional-looking results with ease. Number 5. Sili Glue Roller and Tray. This silicone glue roller and tray combo is designed to make larger projects easier. It's perfect for anyone from crafting enthusiasts to professional woodworkers. The angled grooves in the roller hold and distribute glue effectively, preventing messy drips. This ensures smooth application without resistance. With its flush design, it's easy to apply glue right to the edge of your project without marring the surface. It's a versatile tool for precise application. The flexible silicone tray is like a mini paint tray, making it easy to manage your glue. It works with the roller and other applicators. Made from silicone rubber, it's a breeze to clean. Simply rinse it under warm water or let the glue dry and peel it off. What we like. This silicone glue roller and tray combo is designed for larger projects. Its angled grooves prevent drips, ensuring a smooth application. If you're working on a large project and need precise glue application right to the edge, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. It really does work, and cut my glue up time in half and then some. It really speeds things up, and I've had much better results. And when I forget to clean it afterward, the glue peels off. However, it worked flawlessly. The roller turned, it spread glue just fine. It's not falling apart, and cleanup left me with a tool that looks and works just like it did out of the box. This tray has really come in handy for a few woodworking jobs I have used it for, and due to the silicone it is incredibly easy to clean. Even the best wood glues dried on it still pops off with relative ease. Number 4. DCT Wood Glue Kit. This kit makes applying glue easier than ever. It's perfect for large projects and ensures even coverage every time. Say goodbye to messy glue application. This kit helps you apply even coats of glue to any surface, saving you time and frustration. The 2.5-inch wide roller provides quick and even glue coverage. It's non-stick, making cleanup a breeze. This kit includes applicators for dowel holes and biscuit slots, making it easy to apply glue in hard-to-reach areas. It ensures proper glue distribution without the mess. The applicators are designed to prevent clogging. Simply wipe them clean with a damp cloth and let them air dry. This 3-in-1 kit includes everything you need: a glue bottle, roller, and specialized applicators. It's the ultimate solution for all your glue-up needs. What we like. This kit offers versatile application with a roller, dowel, and biscuit applicators. It ensures even glue distribution and easy cleanup. If you need to apply glue in various ways and want a hassle-free cleaning process, this kit is ideal for your woodworking needs. What people say. The silicone parts make the product easier to clean than if they were plastic and rubber. Roller and groove tips are very easy to use. Silicone caps keep the glue fresh. It dispenses the glue and spreads it evenly, no fingers needed. Good overall product. Items were received quickly, are made well, and I put them to use immediately as I was gluing several slabs to create a new stand-up computer desk. Everything worked well. Number 3. Taytools 500015 Glue Roller. This 8 ounces glue roller makes applying glue to flat surfaces quick and easy. It features a 2-to-1/2-inch wide roller for even coverage. Simply squeeze the bottle and roll it across the surface using overlapping strokes. It's perfect for a variety of flat surfaces. It ensures an even and thin coat of glue, preventing messy application and ensuring a strong bond. The bottle has a convenient 2-to-1/2-inch wide rubber roller and a separate cap for easy storage and cleaning. Cleaning is a breeze. Just wipe it with a damp cloth or rinse it under warm water. It works great with white, yellow, and liquid hide glues, making it suitable for many projects. What we like. This applicator provides an even glue coat on flat surfaces with its wide roller. It's easy to clean and perfect for various glues. If you need a simple, effective solution for applying glue evenly to flat surfaces, this is a great option for you. What people say. Love this thing. I sell a lot on eBay and I am committed to shipping my items without using any new plastic packaging. After printing a shipping label on recycled paper, I need to stick it to the parcel firmly, without tape. This gadget applies and spreads evenly in one neat step. Now glue is even faster than tape. It's also fun. My 7-year-old son begs to be the gluer. It has paid for itself. Rather than buy smallish bottles of glue, each with its own applicator tip, I now buy the largest jug of glue available and refill my applicator with glue and water in a 9-to-1 ratio. Replacing all those little bottles with one huge jug has further reduced my reliance on plastic. I was worried that dried glue would continually clog the opening and jam up the roller. It doesn't. I use clear, non-toxic, school glue and any dried product peels off cleanly. I've used it for about 500 labels so far, with no sign of wear or declining performance. I used to watch Norm Abram use this all the time on his TV show, so I know about glue rollers but never thought I'd need it. Well, I started to make a lot of cutting boards and it was just taking too much time apply glue along the many edges with a brush. The Taytools glue roller made quick work of apply the glue along the edges. I was pleased with it. It was fast and easy to get a uniform layer of glue on all edges. The roller cleans easily and in fact is easily removed to clean. I use this roller with Elmer's school glue to baste my quilts before long arming. The roller distributes the perfect amount of glue on the batting, eliminating globs that would have to be washed out. The glue basting is much faster than pin or hand basting, and does not require extra steps to remove pins basting threads. It's much cleaner and cheaper than spray basting too. The quilts long arm perfectly with no puckers or pleats in the front, batting, or backing. The roller portion of the bottle pops off for easy cleaning. It's made of plastic, so as long as you thoroughly wash the glue off the roller after every use, the bottle roller should last forever. Number 2. WoodRiver Silicone Glue Roller. This innovative roller is perfect for applying glue smoothly and evenly. Its non-stick silicone surface ensures clean application every time. It's made of high-quality non-stick silicone, making cleanup a breeze. Say goodbye to glue residue and hello to effortless woodworking. The grooved roller design helps to control glue flow and prevent excess application. This ensures a precise and professional finish. It features a comfortable knurled steel handle for a secure and comfortable grip. You'll enjoy working with it for hours. With its perfectly sized roller and handle, it's comfortable and easy to use for any project. It's the ideal tool for all your woodworking needs. Looking for a unique and practical gift for the woodworker in your life? This is it. It's proudly made by Woodcraft, a leading supplier of woodworking tools and supplies. WoodRiver is part of the Woodcraft family of brands, known for high-quality woodworking tools. You're getting a premium product built to last. What we like. This silicone roller features a grooved design for even glue distribution and a comfortable handle for ease of use. Its non-stick surface makes cleanup a breeze. If you value comfort and easy cleanup in a high-quality roller, this is a great option. What people say. This does a great job of spreading the glue when making panels. This works great for gloops on projects up to 2 wide. Cleanup is easy, I just drop it in a cup of water while working in a shop during the day. Wipes off easy or let it dry and a slight twist the glue comes right off. Handy tool for the wood shop. Works great for glue and cleans up easy. Even able to peel glue off after forgetting and dried overnight. Number 1. Bighorn 19044 Glue Roller. This glue roller ensures your adhesive goes exactly where you need it, making your projects neat and efficient. Its design minimizes mess and wasted glue. With its 2 to 1 2-inch wide roller, it covers large areas quickly and evenly. This saves you time and effort on your projects. It spreads glue smoothly and consistently across flat surfaces, providing a uniform adhesive layer for strong bonds. Say goodbye to uneven glue application. The non-porous roller prevents glue from sticking, making cleanup a breeze. Just wipe it clean and you're ready for your next project. It has an 8-ounce capacity and comes with a handy plug to prevent the glue from drying out between uses. This keeps it fresh and ready to use whenever you need it. This glue roller is a must-have for any crafting or DIY project. Experience the difference of precise, efficient glue application. What we like. This glue roller bottle ensures precise glue application with its wide roller and easy cleanup. The glue doesn't stick to the roller, making it a convenient choice. If you prioritize precise glue application and effortless cleanup, this is the perfect tool for you. What people say. The glue just flows on a piece of wood so easy that it brings a smile to your face for no more uneven coverage and no more glue on your hands or clothes. It makes it a breeze to apply a complete, even coat of glue to larger surfaces. What a work and time saver. Cleans up with ease. Glue goes on really easily. And easy to use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.